Hello guys. In today's video, we'll show you how to install the Noam audio system on your Polaris Razor and integrate it with the Ride Command head unit using custom Delphi plug adapters. For this demonstration, we're using a Polaris Razor Turbo R 4-seater. Depending on your specific Razor model, your vehicle may come with 2, 4, or no factory-installed stock speakers. The Noam system is fully compatible with all of these configurations. To ensure this video applies to your Polaris Razor model, check the description below for a list of compatible Polaris Razor models. Polaris offers 2 amplifier outputs for the end user to utilize, which are located in the area behind the Ride Command head unit. The main amplifier output Delphi plug, which looks like that, and the subwoofer amplifier output Delphi plug, which looks like that. Let's walk through each one of the adapters and the connections they provided. The main amplifier Ride Command adapter is used for the main amplifier output Delphi plug. It has 2 RCA outputs. The front RCA output is the one on the right, and the rear RCA output is the one on the left. Pre-wired 4 speaker wires. Those are connected to your pre-installed stock speakers. The top right wire is the front left speaker. The bottom right wire is the front right speaker. The top left wire is the rear right speaker. The bottom left wire is the rear left speaker. Two remote out wires. The subwoofer amplifier Ride Command adapter is used for the subwoofer amplifier output Delphi plug. It has an RCA output and a remote out wire. The adapters allow various configurations based on the number of factory-installed stock speakers, whether none, 2, or 4. To make it easier for you, we've created separate tutorial videos for each setup. You can find the links to the following tutorial videos in the description below. Your Polaris has no stock speakers. Your Polaris has 2 stock speakers. Your Polaris has 4 stock speakers. You just want to add 1 or 2 subwoofers. Before proceeding to the next video, let me demonstrate how the NUTV5-S performs with the Polaris Razor Turbo R 4-seater, equipped with 4 stock speakers. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below or contact us at service@noamaudio.com. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching.